I believe I am not guilty on the 4 counts because I was not intentional. I didn't intentionally cause the death of the 4 children. And I have another explanation. I mean, I could explain in another way the reason that the children passed away. And something was happening to me that I wasn't really in control of. Also lends credit to the fact that, to the argument, my lord, that I wasn't very deliberate in killing the children. So, my lord, I'm going to say here that certain people, they began to get accountability from me, made increasing demands from me. And so, my lord, they threatened to kill me. So, my lord, during this time, I left my home. I fled from that neighborhood for a long time. I tried a few things, my lord, to bring the whole thing to an end. I tried to rob a bank. I tried, my lord, to kill my brother's family. Yeah, I did.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.